Welcome to my channel Meghala's Rangoli series.
Is perfect. First make some lines like this. Do the same lines. Draw this and let's give some tips when I'm playing the game. I will give you some tips here when we playing the game. Let's start. These 3 coins are tiger in this game. This is first the tiger who this game have 2 players and 1 player have 3 tigers and another player have 15 coins of sheep or goat anyway. The main role of this tiger is to kill the sheep. Maximum 3 sheep have to eaten by the tiger. And then the sheep job is to block the tiger without eating them. They have to protect themselves. So let's start the game. The main rules, I will tell you the rules while we playing. Let's start the game. If a player 1 is tiger, she or he can do this. I'm putting the tiger on this point. And it's turn of player 2, sheep. They have to, if the sheep player do this, they can do this because there are more tigers left. If the player 1 does like this, at this point, the player have to another player's turn and it's another tiger's turn. Now it's sheep's turn. If you put this here, this tiger will eat this sheep. If you put this here, this tiger will eat this. So from the single point, the tiger can go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. So the sheep must have to be careful. So this is picked out. It's no more in the game. If you're going to protect this will eat this. This is the logic of the game. You have to protect your sheep. First of all, this is the next sheep I'm putting here. Now the 3 tigers are set on a place. So it cannot be, there are more sheep can be put on the points, but the tigers can only be moved right now. So it can move like this. And the job of sheep is to block them, right? If you do this, you will be safe. The tiger moves here. The sheep goes here. The tiger, if it goes here, you have to put your sheep right here. If you don't do this, it will eat this. So you have to do this. Now this tiger, if it moves somewhere, the sheep entered here, not this, here. If you put this here, you're safe. If you put this here, it will eat you. So this is the last sheep. Already 2 sheep are eaten by the tigers. So they are out of game. So you have to focus. So you have to do here. If this tiger moves right here to eat this, you have to do is just this. Now this 1 tiger is blocked by these 5 sheep. This is the point of the game. You have to save yourselves. if this tiger moves there, you have to do is save here. If you put this here, it will eat you. So you have to be safe. If this comes down, I am putting this right here. If you think the lines are so closer, you can make it these 3 lines down, little down, because it's so close. If you put this, it will eat you. So 3 sheep are already eaten. So the tiger, the player 1 is the winner and player 2 will become loser. If you not put this right here, you can put this right here. So no one can eat you anyway. And you don't have to move this. So you can be safe. All you do is taking the capture of this point. This point is so important because which player is here can move anywhere around these 5 points. So that's so important. Now the tiger may move this or this anyway. It's okay. If it's moved there, you can block right there. If it's moved more over here, you can do this. So you can save this. Instead you do however where. So here it will eat you. So you have to save yourself. Now there are 2 sheep are already eaten. One can be eaten. So you have to be so careful. And there are no other sheep. They are all pointed. So you have to move this. Don't have to put anything. So we don't have anything. These 2 are lost and they are not in the game. So you cannot use these 2 anyway. So I put it outside. Now the tiger is moving right here. You can easily block. So the tiger can move here and here only. But you have to be more and more careful. So you will be lost. So you have to be more careful. This is just a trial game. You have to. The main rule of this game is to eat the sheep, and the sheep has to block the tiger. But the tiger can jump only these points. If it's here, if the points are here, it cannot eat two sheep at a time. It can only eat only 1 sheep at a time and can only jump in to 1 point, not more than 2 points. It cannot do. So you have to do the rules, follow the rules. This is the main point of the game, and the sheep just can only move the 1 point. No more points are allowed. So you have to be more careful. Sheep have to be more careful. The sheep is already eaten, so it's gone. The 3 sheep are outside. So this sheep player number 2 has lost the game. I can show you some examples to how to block the tiger like that. We can do with this 3 coins. Let me explain you. If it's in this point, it cannot jump anywhere because it cannot do 2 more. It just can do this, cannot do this. So we have to keep this right here. If it moves right here to attack this coin, you have to move this to there. If this may came, you have to move this. This is the safest method to you to block this. Now these 2 coins are almost blocked, right? If it moves here, you can move this and you can block it as it is. You already blocked it, so it have moving there. and I'm moving this. So there is no another line is here, so it cannot eat you. If it's here, it can eat you. That's it, guys. It's so easy and simple. I am moving this last one to upper, so because there's need here, there is indeed right now, so I'm moving this to that. If this tiger moves again, or it's there, it is moving, and you can move this way and it can move this way to eat this. So you already moved it, so it's so safe, and the tiger cannot move more than these points. There is very less chances for them to escape from your capture. So it's already almost, sheep is almost won the game. It's like that. You have to block them and you have to be careful, because in any way it can eat you. If it's moved there, you have to move somewhere. You can move anything. You can move this, because there is no other move can be happened. If it moves there, you can do automatically to move this. If it's targeting this, you can move this. If it's targeting this, you can move this. If it's targeting it, you can move this. That's it. It cannot go further away. If you go there, this is the problem. You're not going in, so it's no problem. If it's coming here again, you can move there. If it's coming here, what do? You can do nothing, because you can do just this, but it may be released. It can come here to eat you, so be careful. If it's like this, this is moving there, and I make sure this is so safe. But if it moves this step, you can go. You are automatically releasing the tiger. You have to be careful, because there are many chances for tiger to eat the sheep. So you can't move so further. So I move this. This is extra. This is just you can pause the game to another. So, or else it's here. I'm moving here. The tiger will automatically move somewhere, and I'm moving this way. Move here, then I'm moving here. It's not possible. It may be eat this, so I can move it here. Right away, if it's move here, I just move here. So I can easily block that one. If this tiger goes here to eat this, I have to be safe, right? I can move here. It cannot move crossword. It can only move directly. So it cannot do anything else to my things. So I'm so happy. So you can move this to here. So this tiger is also blocked, because there is no way to cross move or side moves or anything else. This is only the one we have. If it's go there, we can easily do that. Cannot move this. Cannot move this, because it may come down and eat you immediately. Or if you move this, it will eat you at the second. So I move this, and this is going here, and I am moving this. If it goes in, that's your chance just to go. And it's going here, and I'm moving this, and it's moving this way to eat this. I have to be protective. Anything can move anywhere, so I protect this by this way. And I move, the tiger moves here, and I moves it here. If it moves there, I can move it here. If the tiger goes here to eat me, I can go away from this. If it's go again, I can come again. It cannot move more than 2, so it can move here only. My movies have to be this. If it moves there, it cannot move more movements. If I do this, it may come here to eat me. I can do so to block this, but if you block this, you will be eaten. So this is the movement of sheep and tiger. You have to block them at the starting of the game. If you don't do that, you will be eaten immediately. That's my warning. I am moving this coin, and the tiger have to come here. Now I am going to do this. If it goes back, I can come again, and it's already blocked. That's it. It cannot move, guys. See, it cannot move anywhere. It cannot cross anyway. It cannot cross like this. It have to cross straight and directly. So it cannot move right now. This is also cannot move right now. This is also cannot move anywhere right now. Now the 3 tigers are blocked. So the sheep is the winner. Player 2 is the winner. We can know simply that these are the main point of the game. I hope you understand this first. All you need to do is perfect. Let me give you some tips. Make sure that the lines of the game are made right. Make sure that you have enough coins to play. 3 tigers and 15 sheep or goats, anyway you can say. In Tamil we can say this Aadu Puli Attam. Aadu means goat and Puli means tiger. So you name this whatever you like to. And then make sure you have perfectly learned this game to move on. You have perfectly learned this how I said. I hope you can understand my words. And the game process, I have told you, there are only two players are in the game. 3 coins of tiger and 15 coins of sheep. Aim of the game, player 1 have to, the tiger, saying the tiger is the player 1, or you can change it. Sheep who have sheep is player 1. You can do anything else with that. I'm saying player 1 is tiger. If they moves, if they eaten maximum of 3 sheep cannot able to block the tiger. So it's already the done of the game, and the tiger will become the winner. Instead, if the sheep blocked like this, the sheep block the tiger like this, the sheep player number 2 will be the winner. Even if the tiger ate the 2 of the sheep, you still have time to block the tiger. So you can block them. You are able to block them. So maximum 3. Minimum anyway 1 or 2 or 0. Now enter the game and make sure the rules. Tiger cannot jump more than one point to another. and the sheep cannot jump. It only moves one point to another, and the tiger also moves one point to another. The advantages of tiger is to jump, and sheep cannot jump like tiger, as you know about tiger and sheep. And that's all. After all the coins are placed in, you can move using your hands. If the 3 tigers are placed in, you have to move this. If the 15 sheep are placed in, you can move that automatically. Without putting the coins, you cannot kill them. You cannot eat the sheep. After the 3 tigers are put in, you can start the game, move on. So let's see who wins and who loses. Start the game, guys, right now. Play it and tell me in the comment section about your experience of this game. Thank you so much.